Hi everyone, this is Mark
and Kathy
with Sweatcore, and once again we have got another product.
This is kind of heavy too. What is this? Awesome.
Pavendeep Wellness Products sent us this fitness ball, and so we're going to open this thing up and we're going to check it out.
All right, let's see what's inside.
All this looks like.
Oh, this is like a pump.
The foot pump.
Foot pump.
And that is. This thing is huge.
It is huge. Oh my goodness.
So
this
big.
is pretty awesome that they give the pump.
Yeah,
I do have to say that.
Cool
that's really awesome.
Part to this. So our fitness ball is aired up and took 15 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah. It's really nice that they include a pump. That these guys have a pump in there, so that makes it a lot easier. And now it's not super high quality pump, so it takes a little bit of time. But hey, there's plenty of these products that don't even give you one. So that's a really nice thing.
One thing I noticed right off is it's really sturdy. I mean, like it's a good plastic or whatever they use.
PVC.
PVC?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So it's very sturdy, solid. So that's good. I have to tell you, the exercise ball is one of my favorite things to use. The reason why
I've seen her do it a lot.
If I'm sitting at my desk a lot doing the computer, I'll sit on it and just it helps me with my core and as I'm working, and I'm not just sitting in a chair. I think it's a great thing to have, and then you can do so many exercises on it.
Now, a couple of things that it is, like Kathy just said. One thing really good about exercise ball, a few things actually. One is it strengthens your core. It's really good for balance. I know a lot of people like to use these as a chair, and part of that is because it will help with your balance. It also increases flexibility if you use it with yoga and things like that. It helps with that as well.
That you can do, you know how when you're on the floor and you do sit-ups, it's hard for you to, you can hurt your back really bad. And so what you can do is you can just roll out to where your back is like with the curve of the ball on the back, and then you can just go up and down like this and really work these muscles right here. And so your body goes with the curve of the ball.
Yeah, it conforms to you.
And so it's not putting any stress anywhere but right here where you're wanting it.
Rolling them out and kind of doing planking with these. And so if you're not as comfortable doing a plank on the ground because it just kind of hurts to be down on the ground, these are not bad too. So you put your feet together and you can actually roll this out with your fingertips, go down onto your elbows, and you've got to maintain some serious balance. It's really good for your core. But, as typical, we've said before on other products that you can check YouTube, you can go online, you can find stuff. You can check them out at I believe it's pavendeepwellness.com, and they should have some more information about their products and things there. So so I'm really impressed with this. I like the quality of it. I think it seems a little better. What was the price of this thing?
22, 21.
I think you're right, 21, 22 on Amazon, and so you can check that out. We'll have a link below, and you can also. I would encourage you to go to their website as well and see what they're. This Sweatcore score. What would you give it?
5, definitely.
5 out of 5.
Yeah.
Boom. There you go.
Yeah.
So check these guys out, and we think you're going to love this product.
Yeah.